Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing 1x1x1x1. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the sides of the head with 2 lines down. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now at the top, let's draw a V-shaped point up in the center. And then let's bring it out and up on both sides. Now let's angle it out, over and up, and the same on the right side. And then one more on each side. Now from each end, let's draw a curve up and in. And then close off the top of the head with a curve across. Now on top of each side, let's draw a skinny rectangle up like this. And then let's hop to the center and let's draw another 2 lines up. And close it off at the top. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a line across at the top and another one underneath. Now inside the bottom section, let's draw 3 black circles. And then in the middle section, let's do the same thing at the bottom. And then a black rectangle across on top. And then in the top section, let's draw 3 circles up on an angle. Lastly, for the top of the head here, in between the rectangles, let's draw a curve up and in on each side. Now that we're done the top of the head, let's hop down and let's draw the face. Let's start with a circle on the top left, and then another one lower on the right for the other eye. Now for the mouth, let's draw a long curve across, and another curve underneath. Now inside the mouth, let's draw a line across in the center, bring it down on both ends, bring it out, another square shape up, and across. Now on the right side, let's draw a triangle shape going down, and add a small black square inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. On each side of the head, let's bring it out, and then bring it down for the sides of the body. And close it off at the bottom. Next, inside this middle section, let's draw 2 curves down at the top and connect it across. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve out and bring it in underneath. Then underneath, let's draw a curve down and in, meeting at the center. Now top and side, and let's draw 2 lines down. And curve it out and back around on each side. Now top underneath in the center, and let's continue the spine by drawing 2 lines down. And then let's curve it down to the bottom on each side. Now next to the spine here, let's draw the ribs. Let's draw a curve underneath and back in on each side at the top. And let's do the same thing next to it. Now underneath, let's draw another rib in the same way. And one more on each side. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. From each of the top corners, let's draw an angle out for the tops of the arms. And then let's angle it back down. And another angle on the inside here. And close off the bottom of each arm with a line across. Now underneath the left arm, let's draw the sword. Let's start with a curve down and bring it back up. And then inside, let's draw an X shape. Now on the right, let's draw an angle up to the arm and continue it on the other side. And from the end, let's bring it up and in. Now to continue the sword, let's hop to the left and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And close it off at the end. Now at the base of the sword, let's draw 2 angles back down. Now let's move back to the end and let's draw another line down and a long angle out from the bottom. Now for the top, let's draw an angle out, stopping here. Let's draw a rectangle notch in. And then angle it out like this. And finish off the end of the sword with a V-shaped point. Lastly, for the sword here, let's draw another rectangle shape down from the top. And another one in the bottom section here. And that's it for the sword. Lastly, let's move back in and draw the legs. Underneath each side of the body, let's draw a long line down. And 2 more in the center. And close off the bottom of each leg with a line across. And that's it for 1x1x1x1. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!